Okay, another week, another twist out. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be doing another twist out, and this time I will be using Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. I'll also be using Alikay Natural Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer, and then I also have a oil mixture that I created because using regular oils just hasn't been working for me. So I decided to mix a whole bunch of my favorite oils and make my own oil. Now that I moisturize and seal pretty much daily, I really don't need to apply that much product when I'm styling my hair on wash day because I wear my twists in a protective style. Really kind of bummed to have to say that my hair does not like this Lotta Body leave-in. Okay, like I was saying, this leave-in conditioner, no. So far on my fresh hair, it's making my hair more tangled, and it's not making it easier to detangle. The actual leave-in bottle doesn't say that it makes the detangling process easier, so that is not something that it claims it will do, but I expect my leave-ins to help detangle my hair, because if not, what do I need it for? And this is very disappointing coming off of my high from my last twist out with the Jane Carter solutions, and it was so perfect. Yeah, my curls were defined, they were moisturized, it was easy to detangle, but this leave-in is just not doing it for me. I do want to use it on my dry hair when I moisturize and seal and see how it works with dry hair, but my wet, freshly washed hair is a no. Definite no. The problem with it is after I've detangled a section and I go through and recomb it, it's already tangled all over again. Like, how do I just detangle something and then it's tangled again a minute later? That makes no sense. Okay, so like I said, coming off of my high from last week, I feel very disappointed right now. I really don't know what the results are going to be until my hair dries, and I do re-moisturize and seal throughout the week, so this leave-in may work really well on dry hair, so we'll see. But right now, if I had to give it a grade out of 10, I'd give it a 3. So, very disappointing. Hey girl, so the last time we talked, I was doing my twist out, and I used my Lotta Body plus my Alikay Natural Shea Yogurt, and I also used an oil mixture that I created, and I was telling you how the Lotta Body leave-in was causing my hair to get tangled. It wasn't helping with the detangling process, it wasn't penetrating my hair, and I was pretty much telling you, like, this was an F. Like, no, I was not feeling the product. I didn't like how it was working in my hair. I didn't like the way it was making my hair feel, and I was just over it, and I regret it. In my head, I regretted using it, but the following day after I used it, I looked at my hair and I was like, okay, I see you. Okay. And yeah, so I regress. I take back what I said. Lotta Body is bomb, okay? I had so much moisture and shine. My hair was soft. I wear my hair in a protective style during the work week, So my hair is usually in this twist out style. Like I said, sometimes I'll throw in a clip or a headband. Right now I'm doing the half up, half down. I got my little two things on the side just to give it some flair. But okay, let's talk about this Lotta Body. Forget my whole protective styling thing because that's not what this is about. So my first mistake was referring to Lotta Body as a leave-in. Lotta Body is a styling milk, a curl and styling milk, not a leave-in. And like I said previously, it does not claim that it's going to detangle your hair. So if you use this product, I would recommend using a very moisturizing leave-in during the detangling process, and then applying this moisturizing styling milk on top of that to provide the moisture and lock that in. But I wouldn't use this for detangling properties. I take back what I said, because this product did moisturize my hair. The following day when I took my hair down and moisturized and sealed, I realized my hair was moisturized and that I didn't have any frizz, and it did all the things it claimed it was going to do. And I was in the error for using the product incorrectly. So I changed my 3 out of 10 that I gave it to pretty much an 8 out of 10. So it really went up a notch. But tonight I am moisturizing and sealing. This is my 3rd day with this particular twist out. So as you can see, my twists still look pretty good. They're very defined, very soft, very shiny, very moisturized. So tonight I'm using my Lotta Body milk and then my Alikay Naturals yogurt. Hey girls, so we're taking out our twist out today. I've had my twist in for a week. I wore it as a protective style, and now I unravel my hair and wear it out for the weekend just so that I can actually enjoy the style. But I am going for length retention right now, so I do protective style throughout the week. So I moisturize and seal typically 3 times a week. This week I only moisturized and sealed twice because I was supposed to moisturize and seal last night, but I ended up getting a migraine. And if any of you get migraines, you understand my pain. So I was not going to torture myself and stay up and do my hair, because as you know, if you get migraines, sound is a problem, lights are a problem, and pretty much any type of movement is a problem. So why torture myself and subject myself to sound, light, and constant movement? So no, I went to sleep and I did not sleep peacefully at all. So my hair is a little more, all over the place than I'd like it to be. But that's okay, because this is life. And like I told you, I'm gonna be real. And if you get migraines, you know they happen, and sometimes your hair is going to suffer for it. But we are going to unravel our twists. They still look really good. They're still pretty moisturized, which is the benefit from doing constant moisturizing and sealing, is that even if I do miss a day, I'm protected. So we're good. Okay, so my moisturize and seal has been very effective so far, and I do use a little bit of oil when I unravel my twist. I created an oil that I like to use. It's a blend of a whole bunch of different oils that I found were beneficial for myself and my hair, so that's what I'll be using a little bit of to unravel. Hey girl, so this is my third day hair from the twist out that I did using Lotta Body. I used their curl and styling milk, and at first I said I hated it, then I said I loved it, and now that my hair is unraveled and actually like styled and I'm wearing it out, I am like in the middle. I don't hate it, I don't love it. In terms of definition, I mean, my curls for third day hair are pretty defined. So in terms of moisture, in comparison to my Jane Carter solution, no, it's not that moisturized. Like, my hair was so juicy and moisturized and beautiful. The moisture is just not there, because with Jane Carter, my hair was shiny, it was defined, it was moisturized, it was soft to the touch. Now my hair is it's defined, but it's not super moisturized. It's a little dry and frizzy. So I said this product does not claim to detangle, but it does claim to define curls, tame frizz, add moisture, and brilliant shine. So, no. No. But overall, the product's pretty affordable. It does a pretty good job at moisturizing. So it's an average moisturizer. Not horrible, not great. So, you know, if you're in a pinch and you need something and you only got like $5 in your pocket, get this. Even though I'm not sure if that's how much it costs, but I know it was like not that expensive, so it should be okay. But yeah, this is my third day hair. So until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.